always bringing the kitties something fun and new. Whoa. Yesterday I got them that little tiny scratcher. It's like just their size. And then got them this really soft blanket. Hi. I'm about to bring them some more stuff. Big plate of food. Let's see what you guys can see. There we go. She ended up weighing the most. You see, girl, got something in your eyes. Got it. You're so big. Gonna eat with the rest of them? Aww, it's family meal time. I can't believe you guys are big enough to all eat normally. This way a bit. Ziggy, I know you're to run, but look, it's so many food. You can't nurse from mommy forever. So sweet. So I got them this little box. I just got some new Fancy Feast kitten food. I got this fun little mouse with a pull string so it'll vibrate, and then some ping pong kitty balls from Target. And I'm gonna wait until they eat for a while. There's kitty litters everywhere. But it's natural, good kind. It's like it's so soft. It's elephants and balloons. Ziggy. It's so sweet. He likes kisses. Like, he actually, like, comes to my mouth. I guess the runts are always really sweet and, like, needy. Hi. Did you get some food, Tilda? Oh, she's a purr. See, that's the weird thing. Zuki doesn't really purr. No bite. Thanks for the cleaning. Uh-oh. Time for flash mob. It's always funny when I come in the door. It's so hard to get in here. I'm like, zombies! Because they're like all coming at you at once. Too much Fear the Walking Dead. Oh, scratch my hands. Really? That's what you got a scratching post for. It's like, it's just cleaning me. It's so cute. Don't scratch me. Whoa. I missed what happened there. Don't try to eat, Ziggy. Don't scratch me. Scratch that. Good job. Good job. Zelda doesn't like being picked up. That doesn't mean you don't do it though at this age. You just do it like a little bit. So that they get used to it. So they can handle what they need to handle. Can I put my legs out? Kind of hurts my ankles. How about this little mouse thing? So big, huh? Kind of got to get out of the way now. Sorry. I'm trying to move you. It's gonna be a ride. Okay. That big scary mouse. The big kitty's like this. I had one, but it broke. It's scary. It's scary. I love how much Mama trusts me with her kittens. Alright, let's try some ping pong balls. Let me put the box down too. Alright. That's not a real ping pong ball. Dang it. Why is this like poop in here? Somebody go when I didn't see you, I just cleaned it. Maybe it's just the kitten food. Darn it, I wanted it to bounce. I think they're more interested in me anyway. Bounces if you press it really hard. Okay then. Look. I got this out because they peed in their bed. So we'll get their bed back soon. Ew! You've got food all on your hair. Yuck, I thought it was a piece of litter. Ugh. Crinkly bag. It's not scary. The only reason I'm staying over here is because the kitties want to be with me and I'm filming, so that's why it looks like there's not a lot of space, but there is. When I get out of here, there's lots of space. Ziggy's such a scaredy cat too. Come here, Ziggy. You are such a baby. Come here. You two are so fluffy. These are the fluffiest fluffers. What are you doing? No. Do you understand me? No. obsessed with like fuzz and lint and stuff, so sorry if you see me doing that a lot. Careful! That's why we got this short thing, because it fell off the big one. Being extra clean is very helpful when you have kittens, because you have to clean a lot. You're so clean because they had a nice bath last night. That was so much work. I was close, dude. You don't see your head. No scratching. Lindy, look. That's scratching. Don't sass me. Just scratch. Scratch this. You're getting big enough to roughhouse. Big enough to roughhouse, yeah. You're gonna fall on your mom's food. Yeah, bloody fat belly. They all got their worm meds yesterday. Might be why it smells in here. Poop's gonna be more.